gosh, this is not gonna be good. To be honest, Mommy, her slimes, when there's bad slimes, they're really bad.
Yeah.
So I don't know how this is gonna go down. So far, happy this video. Make sure you follow us on Instagram or share and to see more content.
So before we get started, make sure you smash and subscribe to the YouTube and part of the crew. And you only have 5 seconds to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And remember, post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday.
So let's get started.
Okay, girls, are you ready for your mystery boxes?
Yep.
All right, here you go.
Okay, I'll pick.
Good luck.
I'm picking this one.
No, rock, paper, scissors.
No, I'm picking this one. Bye.
Bye now.
Whoops.
Yes! I think I got the good one!
No, you didn't. I'm sorry for your loss, but you didn't.
Yeah! I got the good one. And you got the bad one. Yes, yeah! Ooh. I thought this would be like a good slime, like a good butter slime. Mommy?
Oh. You see here.
Yeah, you like the big foam ball in there?
Oh, I love it.
I know, right?
This is kind of good, but it's just kind of sticky, you know?
But it looks very pretty. Like, I love the green.
Okay, good. All right, are you guys ready to get your ingredients?
Yeah, I'll get mine.
Okay, but you only have a minute to get them.
What?
So, hurry.
Okay, so for that slime, I'm going to turn that into a brighter yellow, a brighter green by adding this yellow clay. And now let's get my glitter. So now I'm gonna get this iridescent glitter that's chunky. And let's see, what else do we need? Oh, I know, we need activator. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright, guys, I think I can nail that slime. So, you know how it's quarantine and Mommy can't go to Starbucks and she's really missing her caramel macchiato from Starbucks. And did you see the color of the slime? Exactly like it. So, we're turning into a caramel macchiato slime edition. And running out of time, so I want to turn it a little, like, kind of darker. So, we're just going to get a brown, tan, I guess. We'll just get this. And we need a cup. Starbucks!
Hey, Priscilla, you only have 30 more seconds!
No, I don't. You're
Yes,
lying.
you do.
You're a liar. You didn't time it.
You do, Priscilla? How?
Boo. She's wasting your time right now. She only has like 10 seconds left.
10 more seconds! 5 more seconds! 3, 2, 1. Oh, your time's up. Priscilla, your time's up!
Time is ticking, Priscilla.
Oh. What the heck? We'll put that there. Then we're gonna get some of this for the ice. And we need an activator. We need some soap to clean it, and I guess we're good now. All right, let's do this thing. Guys, we have a problem. What's your problem?
We're just gonna add a little bit.
Excuse me. Follow the
So,
rules.
Priscilla, I don't have to add all of it! But you have to add all of that activator.
Who said?
Who said I have to
You need to add all of those cupcakes, all that activator, all of that clay, all of that glitter too. You want to go that way? Mommy, Maddie's not using her clay. Mommy,
Maddie?
I am!
look at her.
Clay!
She just took that out. Look, she's not even on her slime.
Maddie, you have to use all your ingredients.
I am, but you never said how much I have to use of the ingredient.
But Mommy, she's not using. She's
See?
barely any of her clay. Look, she's wasting her slime. It's in the clay.
No, I'm adding that in.
You
Clay.
slime
Oh my
waster.
gosh, Priscilla put it.
We have a slime waster here.
Yes.
No, see?
That's horrible. Okay. Anyway, so my side, I'm just activating it first, and the color is kind of like caramel. It's like the exact same color caramel. So I'm gonna keep a little bit of this for the drizzle on the top. Just keep that for the drizzle because it's exactly like caramel. Now, where's my food dye? Oh. Okay, we got our food dye here. Guys, I'm taking all the hard pieces of clay. You're not having lotion, Maddie. I'm sorry for your loss.
Maddie, you didn't pick lotion, so you can't get it.
Yeah, but mommy, I'll actually give you a real caramel macchiato.
Yeah?
How?
You don't know how to drive. You don't know how to get an Uber
Yes,
Eats.
BTS is gonna get it for me.
Okay, boo. Yeah, my booty hole. We're not gonna get it for you.
And BTS said
Mommy,
they'll give me
right.
a free
She's
concert only for one person. And who will that person be? Me. But if
they
you
don't
give me
have any-
lotion,
they don't have any
then
con-
you
they
get
don't
a
have a
free
concert
concert.
right now.
Maddie,
They don't have a
No, it's only you and BTS. You and BTS.
But guess what, Maddie? You promised me that before, and it never happened.
Yeah, no.
Oh,
Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay,
No.
let's test this out just to make sure, because this needs to be perfect. Ooh. Ew. Okay, so I think this is okay. So I'm just gonna add it in there and see what happens. I don't know if it changed. I'm gonna add a little drop. What's wrong with you? Anyways, I think this is pretty good. This is, I don't know about this. I don't know. I don't know anymore. Guys, I just had a perfect idea. So maybe we can make this slime lighter by using the foam soap, the little caramel. I'm so awesome. Okay, activator. Use your hand to get some activator. What did I say? Don't make me get mom. Don't make me. Don't make me. Not too much. Hey, if you add a lot, I will hurt you. I will hurt you. I will hurt you.
Wow, guys, it got stretchier. I'm sorry.
You made my cup dirty. So now it's time to make the drink, and the caramel is all made. Yep, it's perfect. I love it. So now we're gonna get the coffee. Zzz, just making that coffee. Extra shot and everything like that. Just for mommy, okay. Add some coffee. Wait, first let's add a little bit of caramel on the bottom. And we know she likes extra caramel, so this is a lot of caramel. First, I gotta add a little bit of ice. We'll make this perfect, even though mommy can't see it. And add a little bit of ice in there.
Mommy! Bristol, hurry up. I'm done with my swirl. Mommy, I'm done!
Oh, wow.
It's
That
called
is-
the Neon Cupcake.
Ooh, I love it. That's beautiful.
And don't worry, it's organic cupcakes.
Oh, much better.
And it also heals you from the, the sickness.
Oh, nice.
Exactly.
And look at that beauty glitter.
Okay, well,
Ready.
it's time to grade. So you can keep on working since it's not time, so you're good on that. But by the time I'm done grading Maddie, you better be done.
And this is a butter slime, by the way.
Oh, it is? Ooh, I love it. Okay, wow, it's so pretty. I don't even want to touch it. Ooh, it's kind of tough.
No, it's not.
Oh,
Yes, it
No,
is.
no, it's because it heals you.
Oh, okay. Well, let's see. It might have a poke. Oh,
Yeah.
it does. Nice. Okay, well, I do love the color, and I love, not the texture, but the poke. So nice. And I love cupcakes, so good job, Maddie.
Make your caramel macchiato.
Ooh.
So I
But-
know you can't have caramel macchiato because like quarantine and everything. And look, paper cup, paper straw, save the turtles and save the bunnies. We don't want the bunnies getting hurt. We know we love you bunnies. And so we have extra caramel
But
drizzle.
wait, it's half empty.
That's because you
Why is
ordered
it
a
empty?
grande, and we ran out of grande cups, and you ordered a grande.
But I like venti.
Oh. So we have ice in there, and then caramel, and then look, straw.
Oh, nice.
Look at that coffee.
Oh, you didn't do much though, changing the
Coffee's
color.
not stretchy.
Yes, I did. It was
but,
so hard.
I mean, I do like your presentation, but this challenge is not called turn this slime into that slime challenge. So,
I know, but look, I changed one color and another color.
what color? It's the same.
Look, this is lighter because it's caramel. This one is caramel cafe.
Priscilla, let me just tell you
Okay.
something. Coffee isn't stretchy, and
Cupcakes are not stretchy, are hard. Something that heals you is not hard, so stop.
Okay, well, okay, let's see at least if you change the texture.
Oh, watch this. Also watch this. Watch this. Oh, dang it.
Ooh, it is nice and stretchy though. And, ooh, it is.
Better than Maddy's.
I like it. It's kind of, I like the poke. Wow, this feels really good though.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so what's kind of tough decisions, and I do like Starbucks, and I do like the texture of yours, Priscilla. But Maddie, oh, look at that heart. Okay, well, you won me over with that heart. Good job, Maddie.
Yay! Because if I lost, I would break this heart.
Heart.
That would be my
She just
heart.
broke your heart. Oh my god. Alright, Mommy, give us our next boxes.
Here you go,
I'm
girls.
gonna pick this one.
Good luck.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Oh, this is a good
Better
one.
one? What? No fair. Poor Matty. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look at this.
What is
It's
this?
such a pretty blue, Mommy. How'd you make this?
I know. It is, isn't
It's a
it?
little sticky, but I think you like next time for your lessons you should add a little more activator. So have you been going to Zoom school? Because you should.
No, because Miss Lorini's not available.
Oh. My cousin. I wonder where she is. She must be like sunbathing with her dog or with her pig or something. I don't know what's wrong with her, whatever.
Okay, so are you ready to get your ingredients?
Yes, I'm born ready.
Okay, but guess what? You can only get 2 ingredients, and that's it.
Mommy.
Are you lying?
Do I look like I'm lying?
But we don't need the color, right?
I'm just going. Okay, so that slime is absolutely horrible. So I'm gonna get some clay, and hopefully that will fix it. And then we need activator. Yeah, activator is gonna be my last ingredient. And then we're gonna get some activator, and I'm good.
Alright guys, so don't tell Maddie this, but there was these cute little mermaid charms and I decided to take this to the sand. Maybe like, why are you getting mermaids in the sand? Well, you already know, I'm making it a beach theme. So this counts as one whole ingredient. One. Do you see this? Do you see this? It's one ingredient! Oh! It's still one ingredient. Then we're gonna get some activator and we're good. 2 ingredients. I have 2 ingredients.
That's
Only 2.
fine.
Only. What the heck?
Oh, you do have 2 ingredients.
No, this is 2. This is only 1. I need that because it's 2.
You didn't get activator.
Give me some. Get some for me.
Horrible
Give me a
person.
little bit, Maddie.
Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna add in my clay, and this one's really soft now. So we're gonna add it.
So I'm going to. Hey.
It's
hello.
changing the
Hello.
color.
Okay, so I'm going to mix this activator in here, but hey, stop it. So I'm gonna mix this activator in here, but I don't want. I'm gonna mix this activator in here, but I don't want to do it too much, or then it's gonna get like foamy and everything, and I want it to still be clear. So as you can see, there's air bubbles coming in, but we don't want too much air bubbles, if you know what I mean. I think you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Yeah, you know.
I don't need activator. So can I get another ingredient? Please? No, please?
I'm gonna hit you! Don't be scared of her. I'll protect you.
Please, can I get another
Don't be
ingredient?
scared of her. Don't.
Give me another ingredient now. I know taekwondo.
Anyways, we're gonna add a little bit more. As you can see, there's already air bubbles in here, but we're just gonna give up and not care about that. What? Go get her. Get her. Get her. She's getting another ingredient. Get her. Attack her. Attack her. I'll give you a treat. Want a treat? Attack her. Attack her. Attack her. I'll give you a treat. Attack her.
If you attack me, then I'm gonna fight you. Oh, I'm not scared. Okay, guys, so I'm right now decorating it. Oh, no, let's not do that. Ooh, let's do this one. Let's do that one. They're just playing in the playground. Woo woo. And then let's see.
Where's the playground, Maddie?
No, they're just playing in like on a hill, and they're like having fun.
Oh, that's
And
so cute.
there's a rainbow. Oh wait, no, there's a rainbow because it just rained, and they're like woo, woo, woo. And one more. Hi. And
Wait a minute. That's a lot of ingredients. You're only supposed to use 2, Maddie.
No, but this all came together.
Mommy, look. I only have 2. One, 2.
Wait, what's that hanging there?
It was a set. You didn't know?
No.
It was a set. It's a beach set.
Oh,
For
it does?
slime.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
I got it on Amazon. Like $1.
Oh, wow. Okay, all right. Let me check out Maddie's first. Okay, that looks really cute, the presentation. But let me look.
It's a butter sign.
Oh, it's nice and stretchy. It's not tough at all this time.
And they love you so much, so.
But that's more than
Let me-
one ingredient, Mommy.
Okay, let me do the poke. Oops, sorry guys. Oh, it does have a little poke. Very nice.
I love you.
Good job, Maddie. Nice presentation. The color is okay.
but it's the grass.
Yeah, I do like the grass.
Wait until you see mine.
Okay, yeah. Well, let me check out Priscilla's first, and then I'll decide.
Some pink sand.
Oh, well, wait. You didn't change the color.
Yeah, I did. It's darker, don't you see?
Oh, it is?
So here's some sand. This is the sand for the beach, you know? This is the water.
Oh.
This is the water. Oh, whoopsies.
Pink sand? Ooh, I'd love to go there. Where's that at?
It's a place in Bora Bora.
Are you joking?
I'm not joking. It's a place in
Oh
Bora
my
Bora.
gosh. I'd love to go there, Priscilla.
Yeah, totally. Not a ripoff. Like, there's totally pink sand
Wait,
there.
now it's not set anymore. You
No,
took it off.
it's supposed to come off, but it's an actual. Look, it's like magnetic. But look inside. Okay, it's magnetic. See? And so inside of it.
I
Wow.
like that. Mermaid.
So mermaid twins, just laying there.
Very
One of those.
cute.
And
oh, nice.
boom, bye!
I must say, I love these seashells.
Don't you just love the presentation though?
I do. Let me stretch this
Look at how
time.
pretty these
Okay.
tails are.
Okay.
Is there a poke like? Does
Ooh, nice poke.
Oh, no poke on Maddies. No poke on Maddies. Oh.
Okay, well, I must say, Priscilla, very nice job, nice presentation. I just think you should have changed the color a bit.
It is changed.
Oh, that's right. Okay, you did say that. Okay, well, the winner for this round.
Wait! Wait, before you choose the winner. Hey, Molly, look, before you choose the winner, just look how pretty, like purple.
Oh, that is really pretty. Make a bubble.
A bubble? I
Yes.
can totally do that. Totally.
Maddie, make a